A ball of mass small m is suspended by a massless string of length L from a fixed point. A ball of mass 2m strikes in the direction of theta is equal to 45 degree from the horizontal and sticks to it. What should be the initial velocity of 2m so that the system deflects by phi is equal to pi by 2? If at phi is equal to 60 degree the string is cut, then what will be the velocity of at the highest point of the trajectory? First of all, understand that when I consider this part, when the ball impacts at the certain point, okay, and both of them rise to a 90 degree, I will solve the first part first, okay. So now the combined mass over here is equal to Tm, okay, it will be equal to 3m, sorry, because the mass 2m attaches itself to a mass small m over here, okay. So I can say that the kinetic energy at the bottom, that is equal to half 3m into v square, will be equal to potential energy at that point will be equal to mgl, okay, it will be equal to 3 mgl, okay, it will be equal to 3 mgl. So v over here will be equal to root 2 gl, okay, that is the velocity required after the impact is equal to root 2 gl, okay. Now the velocity over here is given as, okay, the velocity over here is given as 2m, okay, basically it is over here, it is equal to 2m making an angle 45 degree with the horizontal, okay. Since it makes an angle 45 degree with the horizontal, its whatever may be the initial velocity, let the initial velocity over here be u, okay, let the initial velocity over here be u, okay. So over here in the horizontal direction the velocity will be equal to u cos theta, and in the that is u cos 45, and in the vertical direction it will be equal to u sin 45, okay. In the horizontal direction it will be equal to u cos 45, and in the vertical direction it will be equal to u sin 45, okay. So when I substitute the values, okay, I can say that at the bottommost part, okay, when I substitute the law of conservation of momentum, I can say that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 will be equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, okay, plus m2 v2. If the initial velocity over here is equal to u, in the horizontal direction it will be equal to 2m into u will be equal to u cos 45, which is equal to u divided by u into 1 by root 2 will be equal to 2m plus m, both of them travel with the same velocity, into v, okay. Now v over here is equal to root 2 gl, which I will substitute over here, okay. So now in this case it will be equal to m and m will get cancelled out, or let me first substitute these values, okay, root 2m into u will be equal to 3m into root 2 g into l. So basically m and m will get cancelled out, root 2 will get cancelled out, it will be equal to initial velocity over here for the impact, will be equal to over here, yes, initial velocity of the impact will be equal to 3 root gl, okay. This is the initial velocity of the impact that is required, such that the combined mass, okay, over here reaches a height of L, that is makes an angle pi by 2 with the vertical, okay. This is the first part, I have solved it. Let us find out on the second part. If at phi is equal to 60 degree the string is cut, okay, if the phi is at 60 degree the string is cut, what will be the velocity at the highest point of the trajectory? First of all, understand that when it is cut at phi is equal to 60 degree, let us first find out its velocity over here, okay. Let us first find out its velocity over here, okay, at that point, okay. I can say that half m1, that is the kinetic, that is the total energy of, let us say this point over here is A, okay. The total energy at point A will be equal to total energy at point B. So total energy at point A is equal to total energy at point B, okay. So basically over here total energy at the bottom was equal to half 3m into u square. U square over here will be equal to 3 root gl the whole square, which will be equal to 9 gl, okay. It will be equal to 9 gl. It will be equal to kinetic energy, that is the kinetic energy of half 3m into v square plus the potential energy over here will be equal to now what is this height, okay, over here. If phi over here is equal to 60 degree, if this is L this will be equal to L cos 60, which is equal to L by 2. Okay, so the height from the top is equal to L by 2. So this height over here will also be equal to L by 2. L minus L by 2 will be equal to L by 2. So it is equal to mgl divided by 2, or 3 mgl divided by 2. So over here 3m and 3m will get cancelled out. Okay, it will be 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 minus half, okay, which is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4 gl will be equal to half into v square. So the velocity at that point will be equal to root 8 gl. Okay, the velocity when it just at 60 degree will be equal to root gl. Okay, now what happens when the velocity is equal to root gl? Let me illustrate over here. Okay, so this is the string which is tied. Okay, now it is equal to root gl. With the vertical it makes an angle 60 degree. Okay, with the vertical it makes an angle 60 degree, and this angle over here is also equal to 60 degree over here. Okay, so now over here I can say that since it is perpendicular, since the velocity is perpendicular to that of string, this angle with the horizontal, okay, this angle with the horizontal will also be equal to 60 degree, and the initial velocity over here is equal to root 8 gl. They have asked if you read the question, they have asked what will be the velocity at the highest point of the trajectory. Okay, what will be the velocity at the highest point of the trajectory? If I consider this trajectory over here, if I draw this trajectory, at the highest point of the trajectory, the velocity will only be horizontal. Okay, so the horizontal velocity over here will be equal to root 8 gl. Okay, root 8 gl into cos 60. Okay, root 8 gl into cos 60 over here, which will be equal to over here, which will be equal to cos 60 is equal to half. So basically it will be equal to root 2 gl. Okay, this will be the velocity at the highest point.